What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Budding Watch Enthusiast. A quick video today, how-to video today, and I'll get into the wristwatch check because it has a little something to do with it. I'm wearing my Desert Eagle, my Hamilton khaki field, and this is on what used to be a 5-ring heavy-duty NATO strap that I modified into a 3-ring Zulu strap, and that's what we're doing today, is showing you guys how you can take your NATOs or your 5-ring NATOs, cut off that little extra bit of fabric, and modify it into a 3-ring Zulu. I did it for these because what I was finding is that the extra keeper, the extra bit of fabric was adding a little too much bulk, a little too much height to the watch. So I took all my 5-ring NATOs, I cut off the little tag, made them into Zulu straps. I love them now, they're much more comfortable. So let me take you guys over to the workbench and I will show you guys how you can very quickly and easily do that for yourselves.
So with these 5-ring Zulus, I've always found the keeper to be a little bit erroneous. It's really not necessary. The strap is heavy duty enough. The hardware is good enough, and like I said, it'll keep the watch secure without having to worry about the extra bit of tongue. So this is a little bit of a tutorial for you guys if you also want to learn how to cut this off and mod the strap. You can also do this if you have a NATO strap that is too long and you just want to cut the end off so that, because you don't like tucking it for some reason. This works the same way for that as well. So all you're going to need to do this, you of course need your strap, you need a pair of scissors, you need a emery board or sandpaper or nail file or whatever, and you need a lighter. So and all you're going to do, it's pretty simple. Just take the strap and you're going to cut off the excess length. Try to get as close to the seam as you can when you do this. So just go down there and cut this off. So very easy and simple. Now that's gone. And of course, the reason that we have the lighter is because we want to make sure that the ends of the strap here are not frayed. As you can see, it's already leaking nylon onto my counter here. You don't want to do that. So, and again, that's what we have the lighter for. Let me just cut off this excess length here real quick before I do that. So with the lighter, we are just going to use that to cauterize the end of the strap here so that it's not fraying anymore. Obviously, be incredibly careful when you do this. You don't want to burn your fingers or anything around you, and you also don't want to burn the usable part of the strap, because any part of the nylon that the fire hits will melt, of course. So you just light it up, and like I said, you don't have to do much, because as soon as you start getting it, it's going to cauterize that whole thing there. And you can see, and it cools down pretty quickly, but now we have a cauterized end here. And the reason you have the emery board is because obviously this part of the strap is going to be pretty close to your wrist, so you can use this to lightly smooth the strap out a little bit, so that way we don't have sharp corners. We don't have any sharp plastic or sharp nylon digging into the side of your wrist. When you wear the strap, do this very lightly. If you do it too heavily, then you'll take the sealed end off of it, and you'll be back to having the frayed end. But now I have a one-piece Zulu strap, a regular Zulu strap instead of the 5-ring Zulu strap. So there you go, a quick and easy look at how to modify your 5-ring Zulus into a standard 3-ring Zulu.